Pisces, we're finishing off the reading today avec vous. Okay, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of December. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Pisces, let's go into your what's coming towards you reading. Pisces, we got the Queen of Pentacles. I'm getting a Queen of Pentacles coming towards you, or getting an offer is coming towards you. I'm getting someone wants to trick you, Pisces. It's something that has to do with money. Whether they're going to leave money out for you to take, they're going to accuse you of stealing, or something about putting you in debt that you did not take part in building. The devil, yeah, I'm getting is a lie. Something is a lie. But me getting something supposed to give you money, then you get it back. Like you, it could be, yeah, because you know, I'm into crypto and stuff. Excuse me, I'm into crypto and stuff. You ain't no Crips. You ain't no Crip gang. I know Crip gang. No, I ain't saying Crip gang. I say crypto. I'm into cryptos and shit. You know what I mean, Your Honor, right? Yeah, me getting something about you give money and the money I'll give you back. But them I tell you, say, oh, you not start with nothing. This could be gambling. This could be trading. Me getting is a trap. Somebody want to take the whole of your money. Or somebody's taking all of your money, and I say, you will get it, and you will get it. Me getting your face is there, but the money is not. Me getting you is here, but the money is going to two people, a man and a woman. I don't know which man this is that wants to take advantage of you, since they see that, oh, I hated and revered women all along, not knowing that shit. If we just abuse them, they get stuff. Ace of Cups. Queen of Swords, or this is something about a Capricorn. The Queen of, so we have three queens. We have Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands, and a Capricorn. So this look like the love for the love of Capricorn. Who you want? You want the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Wands, or the Queen of Pentacles? No, you are beside the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like that's who you love. I feel like the Queen of Swords too harsh for you, or she will be like, Capricorn, you're doing devil shit. The Queen of Wands, me getting she only like you when you're showing her attention. Me getting the Queen of Pentacles don't talk, or me getting, if you give her money, she'll keep all your secrets. So maybe you can't bribe the Queen of Swords, you can't bribe the Queen of Wands. Them can't hold secrets because it will weigh on them too heavily, mentally. Me getting the earth sign, which is like you, she can't hold the secrets. Capricorn, I'm getting into some demon shit, Capricorn. I don't know what is. You're into some, I don't know if this is like bedroom shit. I'm getting into some. Corruption. I'm getting you want this woman keep secrets for you. I'm getting something about tree woman I did that with. I'm getting a like the earth sign more. Yeah, the 10 of, yeah, I'm getting the other one, them. I don't know if you're a married 2-time, or I'm getting the 2 relationships failed. The Justice card. No, if that's not it, me getting you're being accused of sleeping with a Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and a Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Like if these women, if on the Queen of Pentacles. Me getting here, the Queen of Pentacles were having problems, and you decide to you're gonna have sex with these other women. I don't know if you were still married, you were legally separated, or legally divorced. Regardless or not, I'm getting you and the Taurus was not together, or you were, it was hell in home. I'm getting hell was at home because of infidelity. You had other people. Maybe you were married already, or I'm getting the marriage was a secret, the marriage was a lie. No, the Queen of Pentacles is black. Queen of Swords is white. Queen of Wands is black. So I'm getting something about you marry this black girl, but then you leave her for this white girl, and I'm getting no, you're there with another black girl. Okay, let's continue the reading. I'm getting you were with a black girl, you leave her for a white girl, no, you're there with a black girl. You leave the black girl, the white one not call you back, but me getting you are doing all of this because you want to be back with the Tarot. Me getting you just, I don't know if it was infidelity, why this happened, but I'm getting you're like, can you just, it was so long ago in the past. Can we just pay our way to a new beginning? Maybe I have to deal with the exes of somebody, but me getting somebody never move on, and somebody didn't move on and start a family and settle down. So you could say, whoa, that was a problem. Somebody was running through women. Me don't know if them are waiting on a divorce, or me getting when you left somebody, they were like, okay, fine, I'll do me. Them I run through woman when a divorce come through. Them like, hold up, I don't love you like I love you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Divorce, back up, they don't love you like I love you. Me getting someone not get a divorce. The devil. Someone's like, over my dead body. Somebody not get a divorce. Someone's like, you gonna be happy, unhappy? Okay, be unhappy. You okay, you wanna act that way? Okay, act that way. I'm gonna fuck these bitches and come back and let me see if your smile's on your face by the time I'm back, right? Because someone's gonna do that to you. What is that? Listen, I came into the 311 building and I said, listen, I'm gonna make history. And that's exactly what I'm doing, okay? I'm getting somebody not get. Him tell me him nah let go. Him tell me him nah let go. Me say, baby, me get man anywhere I go. Me get man anywhere I go. But you me love, everybody know. Somebody not letting go off of you. The Page of Pentacles. Me getting the day and somebody meet them, they plant a tree of flowers for you, and to this day, these flowers are tree is still blooming. So I'm getting basically you're with this guy, him have toxic tendencies, toxic behavior. Okay, cool, that's his behavior. Me getting no matter what, him not gonna let go of you. I don't know what this man have with you. I don't know why I'm not move on, why I'm not get the point saying I want him again. Me getting him don't care what you want. I'm not saying it's right or wrong. Me I tell you what him feel, what him a do. Him don't care. What do you feel like? This is, I don't know what this you take up your money and buy. What did you wait? Did you check it? You buy a pussy in a bag. You bought a pussy in a bag. Why you never do background check on? I don't know what to tell you. The Hierophant. I don't have the answers. Him not care, him don't care. Pisces, him don't care. The man will torture you. Him don't care. I say I love. I don't know why him obsessed with you so. Did he? That's what he did. Did he? Did he? Maybe that's what he did. We don't know what is the Hierophant Pisces. I'm getting him a dream about you. Him a look on your dreams. There is a ghost in my room. He's tampering with your dreams, lying. I am the game, and pour le finale, le célèbre. Actually, that's not how you say it in French. Celebrity. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.